Hello friends, how you all doing? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to pit a cherry the easy way. All you need for this is an empty bottle and a chopstick. The way you wanna do it is to put cherry on top of the bottle and we will push on it. Like this. And there is no pit inside of this cherry. I'm gonna break it just to show you. Look at this. And the pit is inside of the bottle. Right there. Well, let's do another one. We will put it on top of the bottle and push on it. Here we go. Again, put on top of the bottle and push on it. And as you can see, all the pits are inside of the bottle. Let's look at this closer. Push on it. Pit is inside of the bottle. Let's do it again. It's pretty cool life hack, very useful and helpful. Well, that's how you pit cherry the easy way. And as you can see, all the pits are inside the bottle. Alright guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you next time. Let's look at this closer. Oops. Didn't work.